Time to build a Lego table. So here it goes. I'll start out with this rough sawn walnut and cherry, and it'll have to be milled down, so I'll run it through the joiner and planer so it'll make it nice and square for a good starting point. I milled the walnut already through the joiner and planer, and now I've cut the legs down to 2 by 2 inch squares. I'm using this doweling jig to add dowels to the rails. I don't want to use any fasteners that are going to be seen, so I think dowels will work best here. I got ahead of myself and forgot to glue the bottom rails in. So I went back and glued in the bottom rails, which are made out of cherry, and now the 2 sets of legs are complete. Got these joints clamped up, and now I just have to wait for the glue to dry. I think the walnut and cherry combination will go pretty good together. Next time when I come back, I will work on the top and bottom rails, get those glued on, and then the tabletop will come after that.